डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। जैसा कि मैंने आपसे प्रॉमिस किया था कि अगले वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि हर सब्जेक्ट में, हर सब्जेक्ट वाइज, स्ट्रीम वाइज कौन से अच्छे कॉलेज है और कहाँ कहाँ पर एडमिशन ले सकते हैं। सबसे पहले शुरू करूंगा बैचलर ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, जो 12वीं के बाद आप कर सकते हैं। ये कोर्स 3 साल का कोर्स है। दिस इज 3 इयर्स कोर्स सेमेस्टर वाइज, और इसके लिए बहुत से कॉलेजेस में डायरेक्ट एडमिशन में भी दिया जाता है, एंड देयर आर सेवरल कॉलेजेस विच कंडक्ट एंट्रेंस टेस्ट। और सबसे बढ़िया जो कॉलेज अभी है, दे आर NMIMS, नारसिम मुंशी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज, मुंबई, देन IIM रोहतक, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, देन ICFI हैदराबाद। ऐसे ऐसे बहुत से कॉलेजेस हैं जहां आप एंट्रेंस टेस्ट के आधार पर एडमिशन मिल सकता है आपको। बीबीए को आप डुअल डिग्री के रूप में भी कर सकते हैं। इट विल बी 5 इयर्स कोर्स, 5 इयर्स इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम, बीबीए प्लस LLB। आपको 5 साल के बाद एक डिग्री मिलेगा, कंपोजिट डिग्री मिलेगा, विच विल बी कॉल्ड इंटीग्रेटेड बीबीए प्लस LLB। और इसके बहुत से कॉलेजेस हैं। अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कॉलेज क्या क्या है। उससे पहले मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि बीबीए का स्पेशलाइजेशन एरिया क्या क्या है, किस किस एरिया में आप स्पेशलाइज कर सकते हैं। बीबीए में आप बीबीए एविएशन कर सकते हैं, बीबीए बैंकिंग इंश्योरेंस कर सकते हैं, बीबीए कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस कर सकते हैं, यू कैन डू बीबीए फाइनेंस, यू कैन एज वेल डू बीबीए फॉरेन ट्रेड, बीबीए होटल मैनेजमेंट, बीबीए ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, बीबीए इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, बीबीए लॉजिस्टिक मैनेजमेंट, बीबीए मार्केटिंग, बीबीए टूरिज्म, बीबीए फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंट्स, बीबीए ई कॉमर्स, बीबीए डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, बीबीए इन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कर सकते हैं, सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हैं। इस तरह स्पेशल एरिया है जहां आप कर सकते हैं। इग्नो, इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल एंड ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी, बीबीए का कोर्स चलाती है जो डिस्टेंस मोड है, where admission is given on the basis of entrance examination, and it has got two specialization courses. इसमें 2 स्पेशलाइजेशन कर सकते हैं, एक तो बीबीए रिटेलिंग एंड बीबीए सर्विस मैनेजमेंट। प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली। इग्नो का कोर्स बीबीए का आपका 3 साल का कोर्स है, और इसमें 2 स्पेशलाइजेशन है, एक तो बीबीए रिटेल मैनेजमेंट और बीबीए रिटेलिंग, and second is BBA Service Management. This is very nice course offered by IGNO. And after completing this course, you will be awarded with a degree and a work experience certificate. Work experience certificate और दूसरे किसी कॉलेज में नहीं दिया जाता है, जो यहाँ मिलेगा आपको। This will be once again I would like to tell you, BBA on completion of this program, you will be given a degree of BBA plus a work experience certificate on the basis, and the admission is given on the basis of merit interview. We have Symbiosis College in Pune, where minimum requirement for admission is 50% marks in 12th class, and for open category, and for reserve category 45% marks, for those who belong to SC and ST category, and you are given admission in these courses in these colleges. BBA is a bachelor degree program. This is a bachelor in business administration. This course is called bachelor in business administration. The eligibility criteria is eligibility for admission is 10 plus 2, and it is a 3 years course. Normally, tuition fee ranges from 2 to 6 lakhs in the complete course, and every salary you get is package of 2 lakh to 6 lakhs per annum. And your job profile will be marketing after you complete the course, and if you get a job, your job profile will be job position will be marketing executive, advertising executive, sales manager, market research analyst, etc. And the best option is BBA finance, as many of students who go for BBA program, they offer BBA finance, they go for BBA finance. However, marketing is good, so far retail management is good, all this, and degree from IGNO is very good. I will tell you what are the areas where you can get employment. You can get employment in railways. You can get employment in life insurance, RBI banks, Oil Limited, and top entrance examination for this is MAT, Combined Admission Test. This is conducted by IMA, All India Medical Management Association. It conducts CAT, then MAT, Management Aptitude Test, then ZAT, XAT. ZAT is for those conducted by Jabil Institute of Management. Then in Maharashtra also sometimes this is MSCT is conducted, and it is by some colleges it is considered as a criteria for admission. These are the courses. This is information about BBA courses. We can go for BBA tourism. BBA tourism is again a 3 years program. Requirement for admission is 10 plus 2 pass candidates with 50% marks. And again, you get very good opportunity for job placements. You get jobs like business development executive, and your salary will be 3 lakhs per annum. These professionals help business to grow. They are known as high-level sales professionals. These business development executives. Then you also get job as executive assistant. An executive assistant is like an administrative assistant. They perform different clerical and office tasks like accepting and making phone calls, setting business meeting agendas, sending memos, accepting visitors, reviewing incoming reports, etc. And the salary on an average is 2.88 lakh per annum. Then you get the job, you may get job of marketing executive, and your job profile will be marketing executive. They carried out marketing campaign and other activities in accordance with the market plan to promote regional and international business. Your salary will be, here you get more salary. Your salary will be 6.28. So even after BBA, you have plenty of jobs opportunities for you. It is not that after MBA only you will get job. Even BBA, after completing BBA, you may get jobs. Then you can get job of tourism and travel manager if you complete that course in BBA in travel and tourism. And they provide best travel facilities like booking reservations for travel, hotels, rentals, cars, special events, and the average salary is 3.5 lakh per annum. Then you may get job of event manager, and event manager plans or organizes various types of events as per the client's need. These professions also make sure to keep audience engaged to solve the purpose successfully, and their average per year commitment is 4.5 lakh per annum. Then you can get job accounts manager, data of company. They keep the data of company intact. They also work to expand new business from existing clients, and your average salary is around 4.4 lakh per annum. Then you get a job. You may get job of brand manager. Brand manager plans. The job of brand manager is to plan, develop, and give effort to improve the performance of a brand, service, and product. Sometimes they have to work constantly for improving the image of the brand image. And the average salary is 4 lakh per annum. 5 lakh per annum. So a very good opportunity is there. So you should not think that after BBA you will be sitting at home. I will not be able to do any job. Plenty of jobs are there, provided if you perform well in the examination and you get good degree from a good institute. Institute counts, my dear students. Institute counts a lot. Then talking about the recruiters for BBA is Indian Space Research Organization. This is government sector organization. Then we have Defense Research, DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, National Thermal Power, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, Steel Authority of India, Gas Authority of India Limited. These are some of the private sectors, government sectors organizations which offer you jobs. You also may get job in private organizations like Tata Consulting Services, then Capgemini, Genpact, IBM, Infosys, SDFC, Microsoft, Deloitte, These are some of the private organization companies which offer job to a candidate who has got a degree of BBA with himself. And BBA salary in India ranges from 2.50 lakh, 2 lakh 50,000 to 10 lakhs. The average BBA package is around 4.5 lakhs per annum. So this is very good opportunity. I advise you to get admission in a good institute, and you should offer BBA as one of your course, one of your programs for uh, for getting good, making good career. Thank you very much.